Hi, my name is Wandia. I'm a digital media aficionado, which means I love to geek out on all things social or digital. Today I want to talk to you about how to hide what people see on your Facebook timeline. So it's relatively simple. You just go to the on the very right hand corner, there's a little arrow pointing down next to home. Click on that. You'll see privacy settings. Click on privacy settings. Go down to edit settings. How you connect, control how people connect with you, or control how you connect with people you know, and then just click edit settings. And once you're there, you can go to the bottom here, who can see posts by others on your timeline. Now notice this doesn't really control likes, friendships, and that type of stuff, but it can control what others see on your timeline. And you can click on friends right there. You can choose that you want the whole world to see posts by others on your timeline, friends of friends, or even customize it so you can add specific people to specific lists. Then you just click save changes and then you're done. And now you can control who sees stuff or who sees what others post on your timeline. Now, just to note, you can control what goes on your timeline, but you cannot control necessarily what happens on other people's timeline. So a mutual friend can see when you post on another person's timeline. So just to beware, of course, you're always careful what you post online because it's there forever, but you can control what's on your timeline. You can't control what others see on other people's timeline. I hope that's helpful. If you need additional information, please feel free to reach out at www.wandia.info.